The golden days today, October 30, the Pasumpon Mudramalinga Deva's Guru Puja festival. On this day, we will remember the good things that he can remember here. All we know is that he lived and died as a struggle against injustice for his whole life. Mudramalinga Deva was well versed in the ideology and spirituality of Vivekananda during his school days. He was successful in optioning other religious propaganda campaigns that destroyed Hindu doctrines during his school days. When Mudramalinga Deva went to Chennai today to sue the reclaim his own land, Netaji, who had vowed to reclaim the entire Indian territory, became a gold friend who had to get his friendship and carry his pollutions and his ideas and his thoughts. He was one who caused Mr. Netaji to tell himself that if he was born again, he should be born in Tamil Nadu. Mudramalinga Deva, along with the Netaji, the instrumental in making his Congress movement headquartered in Tamil Nadu. True people like Kamaraja, who had a simple way of leading the flaw of democracy against the Justice Party, ruled by the kings and zamindars of the Justice Party of the day, led the way to due to political eviction. He was the one who shed tears of joy as he entered the Meenakshi Amman temple of the oppressed people when they were not allowed inside the temple. Ramalinga Deva rallied the people to fight for their freedom and mobilized the Madrasis who lived in various places like present day Malaysia, Singapore, Burma, Indonesia in the support of Indian liberation, who helped disrupt the British to fight against the British government on the advice of Netaji through Burma, when the vast majority of Indian North Indians marched in large numbers in support of the British government. Mudramalinga Deva was the one who helped to mobilize the people and the majority of pro independence people against the enactment of the Criminal Inheritance Act, against some of the citizens who had the right to protect the land and the temple against the British at that time. He was the one who called the people to join the freedom struggle by using heroism and wisdom, saying that the heroic wisdom is cowardice and irrational heroism is rudeness. Before and after independence, Mudramalinga Deva succeeded without going to his constituency and was widely recognized by the people. The man who wrote his estate for the poor people, simple people, died 55 years ago on October 30. The late Mahan in the best spirituality, pollution, nation, divinity are my two Isis. போற்றுவோம் புகழ்வோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் அவரது கொள்கையை சிறிதளவாவது பின்பற்றுவோம் அவரை வணங்கி புகழ் வணக்கம் செலுத்துவோம்